Hi, this video is about lovebird trust. If you can see on my shoulder, these two little lovebirds are sleeping, taking nap, and probably they are feeling super safe. That's why they are sleeping over me. So this is the bond with the human and lovebirds or the birds. So this is not so easy, or you can say so common, to have this much bond, so that your feathered friend or the bird can trust over the human at this level, so that they can take nap or sleep without worry. So since I am talking, that's why this lovebird Rio is curious. But she, super comfy, you can say super comfortable with me, and taking a nap without thinking if something bad happen with them, or somebody will catch them or something like that. They are least worried about it, and these two birds are feeling very safe with me. That's why they are sleeping over me. So now the question is how you can do the same. If you are the lovebird owner, or you would like to buy or own some birds, and would like to have a bond similar to that, then you have to take care some of the things, so that you can also make the similar bond. Rule number one, you should respect their territory. Territory means the area where they lives, and either it can be a cage or corner, any area where they live. You should not interference with their territory. You should respect them. If you are giving them food, so give the food in a such way, so that they should not feel that someone is disturbing their habitat or territory. Also, when you talk to them, think about a child. So if you interact with a child, how do you interact? You take care all of these stuffs, all of the things, so that the child should not, you can say, get hamper, or get aggregate, or get angry, or get annoyed. So you try to do each and every thing, so that the child be happy. And also your gestures always becomes like that with the child, so that the child should trust on you or feel super comfy. So in a similar way, the birds also wants to know, or to from you, that you will not hamper them, you will not harm them. So you have to show the all good gestures, so that your bird should not make a decision about you, the bad decision about you, that you will harm them. So you never try to catch them, try to grab them. Always treat with the dignity, and don't forget to feed them daily. If you in a bowl, if you put some seeds in a bowl, so you have to regularly clean these bowls, because after every session of the lunch, dinner, or any time whenever they eat, they they whenever they eat some seeds, the residual of the seeds they keep to leave into the bowl. So you have to keep clean the bowl, their feeder, so that they will always have the nuts, or you can say seeds, in a healthy state, in a good state. So waste you have to discard. So that's the one thing where your birds will have always good food, and they will trust over you. They will slowly start building a trust with you, because you are feeding them regularly and healthy, and giving them good food. Then water, you have to change their water. We sell at least 2 or 3 times a day, so they always have the fresh water. So this is how in a start you have to do. So keep doing this for a while, like 10, 15 days, 13 days. So you have to wait. So once you end up all the doing things up to 30 days, they will slowly start a trust, build a trust over you. So after that you can take your bird out from your cage, and using a perch, it's like a, you can say, a stick, a wooden stick, we call it perch. So you use the perch and try to get the bird by the perch over your shoulder. So once the your lovebird comes over your shoulder, so then you do not need to do anything. You just walk around in the home and let's pacify the bird. So once she will understand, then you are not going to harm him, and also you are good taking care of him or her. She will start building a bond with you, and this will end up with such kind of result where you will have the intimacy with the birds like this, and they will sleep over you. So there are many things which I will tell you during the course. So also I am feeling sleepy with them, so I am going to sleep. Bye bye, tata.